Welcome everyone, this is Mr. Lennox Bennett. That is my number for persons who want to join my class, whether CSEC or PEP. Alright, you guys definitely just link me up and we can make arrangements. Despite being super awesome, very reasonable because I know all time is hard and all of that, alright? I'm not about just the money. Alright guys, so welcome to another video, and as usual, I'm encouraging you guys to go ahead and try. It says that Raj paid $7.54 for a box of crackers and 2 pounds of Monterey Jack cheese. If the crackers cost $170, $1.70 rather, what was the price per pound of the cheese? Oh, we say a box, so it's only one cracker you bought. Okay, cool. Alright, so what did you guys get? Leave that in the comment section. Guys, please, before we begin, just like the video right now. Just like the video, like the video, like the video. If you're enjoying the video, like the video, alright? If it's not the first video you're watching from me, like the video, alright? I want it to reach to others so they can get the benefit of it also. Alright, so let's proceed. Alright, so let us look at it from the standpoint of the total money, right? So the total money spent was $7.54. So let's say we can beat the budget. No, it can. I think it can. No, I want you guys to say it. Not about that. Not about that. Not about that. Alright? So basically it's $74, right? And you see that they bought a box. So we know it's one box of crackers. So just one box of crackers. Alright, but 2 pounds of the cheese. Alright. Exactly. So what we can do, they give us a cost for the crackers. So we know how much crackers cost. So what we can do is to subtract this from the total. So it's $7.04. And then subtract $1.70. Remember, put the decimal point on this one. So let's subtract the 0 from 4, leave 4, 7 from 5, the part. So guess what? We're going to wear so not one of this to go. Now, 15, 7 from 15. I remember saying that 10, right? So this now is 8, and 1 from 6 now is 5. Now, this is the total cost for the cheese. However, they did not buy 1 pound of cheese, right? We bought 2 pounds, so we have to divide this by 2 because we want to know what's per pound. So we want to know what's for 1 pound. So we just divide this by 2. 25, 2, so that's to be this. So you guys work it out to the end, alright? Once it's 2 there, so I am working it out, alright? 2 into that goes 2 times, remainder 1, 2 into 8 goes 9, and 2 into 4 goes 2. We also have what is the amount point is. Alright, let's move on to 42. At the hardware store, Arald purchased 10 gallons of kerosene at $1.50 per gallon. You see a 20% discount because you work there part-time. How much does the final cost of 10 gallons of kerosene oil? Oh, they didn't have the oil, kerosene. Alright, let's break it down. So he said at the hardware, he purchased 10 gallons of kerosene at $1.50. So first, we could find out what this cost before the discount. So before the discount, it would be $1.50 times 10. Now there's a rule when you multiply by 10, 100,000, we just move the decimal point, right? Right to our right. But it's So we have this will give us $15. So now what we have to do is to find 20% of the $15. If it was to work a there, we would pay $15. However, we get 20%. Right? 20% is the same as dividing by what number? Wouldn't it be 5? Yeah. 20% is the same as dividing by 5. So this is 1, 5. So that's $3. So we get $3 discount. Now 15 take away 3 is 12. Hit the like button now, guys, if you're just coming on. Kate, Dana, and Judy and paid $12.89 for a watch to give their mother for her birthday. They paid $175 to have it wrapped. The girl, I guess the girls, if the girls split the cost of the gift, how much did each girl pay? Alright, so let us look at this. So it was originally $12.89, that's what the gift cost, but then they paid an additional to, so let's do that. So it's $12.89, and now we're gonna add $175. Alright. So 5 and 9, that's 14. We'll carry 1. So adding now, 8 and 8, 16, 6, carry 1. Remember, decimal point on the decimal point. So this is 4. Alright. So now we're gonna divide this number by 3. Right. I suggest that we just use divided by 3. Don't put the decimal in. We can need more space here. Alright, 3 into 12, 3 into 14, that's 4 times. We'll go down some. It's limited. 4 to that, so that's 12. Minus, this is going to remain at 2. Carry down the 6. We can stop. After we get that number here, we can stop, right? So that's 2, right? Okay. 3 into 26, that's 8 times. So 3 8s, 24. So we see the answer now. $4.88. Alright. But you guys can work it to the end. I'm just being efficient right here. Well, you guys can work it to the end of practice. Alright, guys. If it took Ellen 2.5 hours to purchase a report, I'm saying purchase. It took Ellen 2.5 hours to type a report, 3 1/5 hours to write it, and 1 3/10 hours to correct it. Altogether, how long did it take Ellen to produce the report? Alright, how should we arrange? We have one out of 2 ways. We can either, we don't have to go minutes, we can either say, alright, 2 plus 3, that's 5 hours, plus 1, that's 6 hours, and then now we add the fraction. I think I'm gonna do it that way. Alright, so a half plus 1/5. So let's just do that. A half plus 1/5 plus 3/10. Define total for that. Alright, so the LCM will be 10. 2 into 10, that's 5 times. 155. Alright. 5 into 10, 2. 2 times 1, 2. 10 into 7, 1. So that's 3. Good thing. Oh, yeah. 3. So 5 and 2, 10. 5 and 2, 7, that's 10. So that's 1. Okay. Oh my God, it works out to 1. So it's 10 over 10, which is 1. So all we will know see, it was originally 2 plus 3, that's 5 plus this 6. So it's 6 plus 1 now. So it's 7 hours. That's how it goes. Another way you could look at it, guys, you could say a half an hour is 30 minutes, and we just do it, continue add up the minutes then. So 30 minutes, 1/5 is 1/5 times 6. I'm just showing this because I don't know. Remember, so 60 minutes, right? So this work out to 12 minutes. So we add that 12 minutes. A minute, you know. All right, what's the 3/10 of an hour? How is that? This will be longer. All right, so this is 1, this is 6. 3 6 is 8. So if you add this, you'll get 60 minutes, which is 1 hour, and then you add the rest. So this is another way we could have done it. Alright. Go down to Uncle. No? Uncle Bobby, Uncle Bobby or Bobby, I'm not sure. Uncle Bobby recently bought 20 sharks for his home aquarium. If 4 sharks fit in each tank, how many tanks are needed to hold all of them? Alright, so we can look at it practical. So it says that in about 20 sharks and 5 fit in, right? So that's 20. 5 in each, so you can divide by 5. So it's pretty straightforward. So that's 4. Mr. Benedy had 48 Ziploc bags. He put 15 mini chocolates in each altogether. How many mini chocolates were in the bags? So you have 48 bags and you have 15 in each. So you simply multiply 48 by 5, 8, 40. 5, 4, 20. And that's 24. So you add that, so you get 24. Alright, so now we're gonna multiply by 10. Alright, so we're now multiplying by 10. So what we do? Put a space folder to show that we're not multiplying by 10 by 1, but by 10. So this is what this space called 10, it'll be 1 0, ain't it? So 1 8 8 1 4 4. And then now we total these, and that will be our answer. This is 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 carry 1, 4 plus 2, 6, and 1, 7. So that means 7, 20. Alright, guys, I hope you guys getting them, you know. Hope you guys getting the understanding. Hit the like button if you're just joining, and watch the playback. Watch the playback. Very nice topics these are. Alright. The population of Fort Fleur is 3 times larger than the population of Fossil Hill. If J represents the population of Fort, alright, let's put that. So you are J. Alright, and then let's say, you know, my students will love this. We did this in class. Algebraic expression, right? From sentence to. Alright, so let's see what they say now. So we know that J represents Fort Fleur, and it's 3 times what's at Fossil Town. So we know that J is the Fort Fleur is the bigger place. And you know so now, which expression represents the population of Fossil Town? So they now focus on that. They just want Fossil Town. Now 3J, this is 3 times, right? So for first one, it will divide by it's the inverse. So you will have to put a number here. It's 3. It's J divided by 3. as I can put some numbers in it. So the population are 9. What will be the population of that? 3, right? So it's G divided by 3. So this was a very nice one. Didn't really get no working out what are the reasoning. Alright. It says at 8 p.m. the temperature was 3 fluoride. By midnight, the temperature had dropped by 10 degrees. What is the temperature at midnight? This is a very nice question, right? So listen, we are both. We are on the positive now, right? But remember how temperature works. So you have the 3 right there, so, and then you have 0, right? And then now you go. So it dropped by 10. So it dropped 3 to reach a 0. And it have a drop an additional 7 to make 10. That's all. I drop 3 or so. So you need 7 more. But below this, you have to go to negative. Right? So you have to have 0 there, so negative 1, blah, 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 and go down, and go down, right? Go all the way to 7. So it's negative 7. Alright? Alright, number 49, sequence sweater. A sequence sweater that usually sells for $60 is on sale for 25% off. Notice that, guys. You must know the difference between off and tax. Discount. We discussed that in class. Discount is a reduction in the price. Because the tax is an increase in the price. Alright? So don't want you guys mix it up. Alright, so let's go now. How much will Dominic save by buying this sweater? And notice what they say. How much will he save? They didn't say how much he will pay for it, but what he will save. And that would be the discount. So he's gonna save the discount. So percentage means out of 100. So that's 25%. It's gonna save. And we know 25% is dividing by what number? I know if my students are online, they can tell me that. Divide by 4, because it's a quarter, right? 25 into 100, that's 4 times. So you can just divide by 4. Let us show working. So 1 into that 4. 20 itself 1. 4 into 6, that's 1. Remainder 2, and that's 5. So you would save $15. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. Guys, just make your students join my online class and get prepared the right way. Prepare them. I don't prepare students for just exam. I prepare them for life, for university, for whatever the next step. Alright. Emily spent $5.73 to purchase a package of wrapping paper and 3 rolls of ribbon. The wrapping paper costs $1.59. How much does each roll of ribbon? Alright, we did a question similar to this in class. I don't think it was this particular question. It's very similar. Alright, so it's $5.73. That's the total money spent. What did she buy? Or what did she bought? Because it's a past tense, right? Alright, so she bought a package of wrapping paper and 3 rolls. Notice 3 rolls of ribbon. Alright, so let's go. So, and then so how much was for each ribbon? So we're not interested, more interested in the ribbon because they give us the cost for the paper. So let us subtract this, and the rest will be what we buy for wrapping paper, right? So 9 from 3 you can't, so make a borrow, and 10 from 70. But so 10 you borrow, 10 plus 3, so 30, right? That gives me 4, 9 from 30. Boom. 5 from 6, that leaves 1. Boom. So we have $4.14. However, for the total for the rolls, for the 3 rolls, is $4.14. So what I have to do is to divide this by 3. Because I want to know how much for 3. I want to know how much for 1. Alright. So let's go now. 3 into 4, that's 1. 3, 1 times 3, that's 3. Subtract, remainder 1. So I go 1. 3 into that goes 3 times. Alright, and then now we say 3 3s, 9. Subtract again. 9 from that leave 9, then leave 2. Carry down this to make 24 now. 3 into 24 goes 8 times. And remember, decimal point on a decimal point is $1 and 38 cents. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Mr. Bennett. I really appreciate you all. You continue to be awesome. And guys, please sign up for the class. My number is 876-549-2161. Alright. You will be happy to take that investment. I know I'm from Jamaica, so the error code is 876. Alright guys, all the best in your exam. See you guys soon in class. Alright? No doubt.